Hi, and welcome to You Test Me Get Certified. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a test with sections. Sections can be used to represent different areas of knowledge or topics that one test covers. For example, a math, physics, or history section for general knowledge test. Each section can have specific question set and different settings. So, from the home page, access the Create Test wizard, either by selecting the Create Test Quick Action button here, or navigating to the test in the main menu, and then selecting the new test. Here you should enter the name, which is the mandatory field, optionally description, label, and instructions. To create a test with sections, simply tick the Test with Sections checkbox. In the second step, choose settings that will be applied to the test as a whole. You can attach a certificate for candidates who pass the test. It will be shown to them at the end. If you do, a certificate builder will open up. You can customize it or use one of our pre-built templates. Let's skip this step for now. We are now in Test Section Wizard. To start adding sections, click on this button. As with simple test creation, enter the name, optionally description, and instructions specific to this section. Now, configure settings that will be specific to this section only. Set test section duration, page format, which refers to the number of tests displayed per page, and so on. You can also upload previously saved section settings by selecting one of the templates. Here you can choose between the following methods for adding questions to your test section. You can create tests manually or add them manually for question pools, use Test Generator, or upload questions from Excel file prepared previously offline. I will demonstrate adding a couple of them for you. In this step, you can manage question set further, import more, or remove questions. Additionally, you can allow question and answer randomization. When finished, you can proceed to the section review. After the review of section, you can add another test section or choose Save and Continue button, which will lead you back to the wizard for a test as a whole. The final step is grade configuration. You can choose whether the passing mark will be expressed in points or percentages. Set the value of passing mark, and decide whether the passing mark will be inclusive or not. A review of whole test follows, after which you can save the test. To do so, click on the Finish Wizard button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.